Everybody, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. What's the price change is occurring in the Dogecoin. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now guys, if you look the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market, absolutely guys, the price is going good. But in this video I'm showing the future plan of the Dogecoin. What's the future plan? Is there possibilities that the price will pump in the future or dump in the future? So guys, now the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.299055 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Dogecoin. Furthermore guys, if you look the changes of the Dogecoin in the market, so only guys the latest last 60-minute change is negative, and the previous changes of the Dogecoin is positive guys. Let me show you the price chart for more and better understanding. Now guys, approximately Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, these all coin taken a same jump in the August month, like that. And now here the price is falls down, but they have again the price will pump. They continue stable like that. Let me show you. Now they have again take a jump guys. So don't worry about the future of Dogecoin. My technical analysis tells us that the huge pump of the Dogecoin is coming soon. Anyways guys, what you think about Dogecoin, also share in the comment box. And positive 82.47% the price increase just in the last 1 month. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies.